we're back at it. I got the old engine hoist assembled here. We're ready to throw this in. I'm gonna throw the chain on here first, lift it up a little, then we're gonna take the engine stand off over here. And yeah, we're just gonna plop her right in. I'm flying solo today, so I'm doing it by myself, which is gonna be fun, but we should have no problems. Anyway, so yeah, let me get set up here and we'll drop this engine in. So hold on. All right, here we go. That's good. Nice. All right. Good night. All right. There we go. Oh, you got it back. Yeah, you see the chin falling down. I keep our brakes. The brake shaft against the there we go. Yeah, it's well. So you can't put pressure against it, so that's why the space on this side brought out. Very good, that's looking pretty good. It's looking brown. No, I'll run this around. I'm going to take ships off the floor. Alright, let me reset up the camera. We'll go from there. Alright, we might be able to clear it. Alright. Gonna have to go down just a smidge. I might have the arm out too far. We'll find out here. I might have to reset it up. We're looking pretty good. Alright. Go over just a little. Let's go back just a little bit more. Should be hitting anything. This needed to go out a little bit more, a little bit. Alright, I gotta reposition the my mistake. Alright, let's hope this works. There we go. But the problem is, this doesn't go back far enough. There we go. We're in. All right, let's see if we can get the motor valve bolts in. There's one. All right. We'll do the other one. It's not like we gotta go far. There we go. He's in. All right, let's get this engine hoist out of the way. I didn't put the flywheel on. Let's see how bad it twists the motor mounts. Ah, it's not even. Alright. Those are brand new motor mounts in here anyways. Alright, let's get this out of the way. Alright, we're back. Motor's in. I just have to tighten the motor mounts, bolts. And there we go. Not too bad right there. I guess we got to do the transmission next, so I got to get this car rolled in here a little bit better. And we got to jack it up pretty high. And the transmission's right there. It's on one of those Harbor Freight little jacks, tranny jacks. So as long as I can get it underneath there, it's actually pretty easy to install. If I got to put the transmission, take it off that jack by myself, and then put it back on under the car, yeah, it could be a pain. So all right, we'll be right back. Bye-bye. All right, we're back. So we got the motor in. I got the car all jacked up. Pretty nice. Have plenty of room to work underneath there. We're gonna start installing the transmission, but we have to put the flywheel in first. So that's what we're gonna work on. I gotta go find a bag of bolts in there somewhere. So here it is. Flywheel, threw some paint on it. Flat side goes on the outside. I can tell, like, I can see the witness marks here. Transmission, looks like I can't get it low enough, or I can't get the car high enough to just roll her underneath. So you know the deal. I got to take that off, slide it under the car, then I got to roll that under the car. Then I got to kill myself and put it back on top of that thing under the car. So that'll be fun. So anyways, let me find these bolts for this thing, and let's get it on there. Get them all torqued up and everything. So hold on. All right, let's try out this camera angle. See if we can get this flywheel on, our flex plate on. Now I forgot when I took the bolts off. The original bolts that were on here, 3 of them I had to heat up, and I ground them up pretty bad. So I had to go down and see a buddy down the street just to get another bolt. So there we go. So let's get these all on. Yeah, so I had to go see him. I got 3 bolts. Then when I was jacking up the car, one of my 4-ton jack stands, I forgot, was at my other garage. So I had to go there. So I was just trying to get anything done around here. You see how it goes. Where's my Loctite? Alright, hold on. Let me go find some Loctite. Alright, I'm back. We got some blue Loctite on. I reposition the camera, maybe get a better view. Oh, here we go. Drop it in. Oh, one day I'll get a lift. That'll make my day. There we go. Getting old. We have to torque these down to 80 foot-pounds. So, let's get this. this. Oh, wrong way. I'll set it on one. That one had bad threads. There we go. All right, let's see if we can do this without turning the motor. Otherwise, I got to get a big screwdriver or something to wedge it here to prevent it from spinning. So let me set this up. All right, I'm back. I do have a Flexplate flywheel tool that I can hold on that goes into the grooves here, the teeth. I can't find it, so I believe it's in my old garage. So somehow we have to do this in a way where we can torque these down. Not easy. Yeah, it looks like the impact did a good job. That one's stripped. All right, so we're good. The impact gun on number 2 usually sets it around between 70 and 100, so it's close enough. So we're good here. All right, next we're gonna put in the transmission. Now I gotta get these wires out of the way. You have to. Yeah, we got a mess here. All right, these could stay behind here. These could stay behind here. Those are the grounds up there. We can put these all up here. And there we go. I think we're in good shape then. I got a little paint on the dowel right here. Right there, so I gotta clean that off. And yeah, we should be pretty good.